Guys, 12:05 guys, oh. Tingnan naman natin yung huli natin. Guys, I'm losing already another one, the big size. But at least may kumagat pa rin guys. Set out for my darling Mr. B in Sacramento, California guys. Ayan, oh. Ngayon may huli na tayo guys. Sunod-sunod na yung huli natin guys. Nakawala tayo ng isa sa malaki. Naputol guys. Kaya continuous lang tayo ha. Ayan mga guys, oh. 2 minutes lang guys. Wala pa yata guys. Huwag lang matanggal guys. Ayun, laki naman guys, oh. Ayun, kita nyo. Ayun, lalaki naman guys. Sorry po. Talagang dito lang tayo guys, oh. May buya guys, oh. But Mr. B continues guys. Ano naman? Attacking na maputi naman tayo guys. Ata guys, wala naman guys kasi yung mabagal yung video natin. Ayan na guys. Ayan guys, pag malaki guys, hirap yan guys. Grabe pag malaki. Ayan guys, laki. Lapitan natin guys. Sobrang laki yan guys. Ayan, look naman mama. Yan. Kita yan guys. Hindi niya kalaki guys. Pag talagang malalaki. Ayan yung huli natin. Medyo katamtaman na yan guys. Pero malaki to si mama ngayon guys. Continuous natin. Kaya sa Mr. B, continuous lang tayo guys. Nakawala na tayo ng ilang piraso guys. Pero ngayon, nakuha natin siya. Guys, yan na naman, no? Panibago naman to. Sana. Ayun, no? Huwag matanggal guys. Yan. Come on, mama. Guys, oh. Mama natin guys, oh. Fresh na fresh fish lang guys, oh. Ito naman, oh. Panibago na naman to. Dito na tayo guys. Ayan naman si Papa Jerry guys. Yes mama, sorry for you. I love you darling. Sacramento, Mr. B. Ayan guys, oh. Ayun, oh. Nakakaya pero tayo ano lang tayo guys. Dito lang tayo sa tabi kasi di ba tayo marunong lumawi. Ayun, laki naman siya guys, oh. Ayun, oh. Ating maputi naman guys, oh. Yung isa, oh, fisherman din guys, oh. Ayun, oh. Tayo yan. Sir B. Ayun, namamana yun, oh. So dito lang tayo guys sa sa ating pwesto. Oh, tari. Kabigat pala guys. Ayun. Wow, hallelujah guys. Sus, Ginoo ko guys. Tingnan nyo naman guys, mas malaki pa sa cellphone ko guys, oh. Ebe, oh. Tingnan nyo na huli naman natin, oh. Baka naman pagtiso tayo guys. Time I fishing then and I tell him I fishing was the spirit leading for me always. Alright guys, you see it again guys, another one. Only few minutes. Oh, come on mama. Alright guys, this is it again. See? I love you mama. See, continuous tayo guys. See, look. I'm with my friend. Shout out my friend. See, look, we catch him bro. See, and guys, only a few minutes again guys. See. Oh wow. Alright. See. Hi mama. Love you mama. Try to fishing guys. There's a lot of fish this place. Finish lang guys in the basketball court. Come this place. Try. Guys, another fight guys, oh. Yun, pag malaki talaga, wala tayo magagawa guys. Ano mama? Alright. Ayun ang huli natin guys, oh. Isa natin to ha. Guys, oh. Kita guys na huli. Ganda naman. mama. Guys, oh. Yun. Guys, oh. Grabe lang. Sige lang guys. Oh. Yan na guys, oh. Hindi natin yan sa kalapong timba. Darling. Kisa muna tayo, busy. Continuous ko lang guys. Another catching. I don't take it guys because I'm very busy to catch down today guys. Busy tayo guys, very busy to catch. Darling, very busy. Ipakad ko yung catching guys. Busy lang ha. Abang ko guys. Guys. Ha? Pinunuhin natin guys ha. Yan yun na guys oh. Nasa kalating timba na. Ha? Continuous ko lang ha. Guys oh. Kala ko guys, pauwi na tayo guys. Pero continuous pa rin kaagat eh. Hindi masayang guys kasi hanggang nandyan sila tuloy din ang kuha natin. Mamaya ayun ano ko to sila guys. Ang laki pa naman yan guys oh. Pwede hindi ano ito, ang laki eh. Tama yan guys. Ang laki ng mama. Tingnan naman yung isda ko ngayon guys oh. Kalating timba na naman. Grabe. Continuous na natin to guys. Ubusin na natin. Guys oh. Isa na yun guys. Laki. Another laki guys. Ayun oh. Ayun guys oh. Puro na malalaki to guys. Paano na ito? Ha? Ayun na guys oh. Baka sabihin nyo scammer yan ha. Hindi scammer na guys. Ayun oh. Continuous ko na ito guys ha. Local feeling. Shout out dyan kay Mabi. Kay Mr. Bay. My darling. Sacramento. Ang hero. In United States. Continuous na guys. Woohoo! Alright guys. I'm tired already guys. Because I don't have bread also. So my double wife. 1:30. I'm starting fishing guys. Today, kung high tide, possibly it's good for fishing because of the high tide guys. But at least, I casting already guys. Uy, may mama din guys. Ha? Doon tayo guys sa basketbulan, doon kanina, doon banda tayo sa may ano guys, kasi lang makulit to si mama natin guys. So, yan ang huli natin guys. Sa timba. Yan, buhay pa. Kaya hirap eh. Kaya yan lang muna nahuli natin. Pero dito sa kabila ang marami guys. Ayan. Ha? Kaya ganun tayo mag-fishing guys. Kaya please don't forget to subscribe. Kapatid, please catching guys. Ha? Patuloy nyo guys. Mga guys. Okay? Ha? Daling Sacramento, my sponsor. Thank you for your krill, darling. Alright, continuous ko lang guys. Okay.